Today you will learn how to stain a cheek cell. First things first, you need to collect all your materials like the slide, cover slip, paper towel, one toothpick, methylene blue, water, dropper, microscope, and camera. In the first step, you're going to make sure that your cover slip and slide are clean. Use the paper towel to dry off. A tip is to make sure there is no paper hairs on it. In the second step, you're going to use the dropper and drop one drop of water in the middle of the slide. It doesn't have to be exactly in the middle. In the third step, you're going to use the toothpick and gently swab the inside of your cheek in order to collect the cells. In the fourth step, you're using that same toothpick and swabbing it gently on the drop of water on the slide. In the fifth step, you're going to drop one drop of methylene blue on top of the water and let it sit for 1 minute. For the sixth step, you're going to use the cover slip and place it on top of the slide. The tip is to place it on one side and slowly lower the other edge on top of the drop. The seventh step is to place a drop of water on one of the edges of the cover slip, where I have the X mark. On the opposite side, which is going to be marked with a green X, you're going to place a paper towel to absorb the excessive methylene blue. The picture that is being shown is how it should look after the paper towel absorbs the excessive methylene blue. In the eighth step, you're going to use the coarse adjustment knob to place the stage up. Now you have to move the nose piece to low power objective, which is going to have a red line. This is a picture of how the slide should look like when you place it on low objective. Here is an example of a cell under death. For the ninth step, you have to move the nose piece to medium power objective, which is the yellow line. Use the fine adjustment knob to focus. Now, do not use the coarse adjustment knob because your image will be out of focus and you'll have to start all over. This is another image, and this is what it would look like when it's under the medium objective power. And here is an example of the cell. Your 10th step will be to move the nose piece to the high power objective, which is the blue line. And again, you have to use the fine adjustment knob to focus the image. This is what it should look like, and I am going to circle it even though it's pretty obvious in the picture. Congratulations, you now know how to stain a cheek cell.